What's up everybody, this is Ishan Janjua and welcome to today's video. In today's we are talking about online classes that are happening these days due to the current situation. This is a bit of a paradigm shift for the teachers, but in today's video, luckily for you, I've been observing these classes for quite some time, and in this video I'm going to tell you all the key things that you need to know in order to conduct highly engaging online classes. First of all, if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload the new video. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Before even conducting a class, you need to set up a tone, and how you can do that? You can do that by setting up ground rules with your students, because when you set up ground rules with your student, it makes sure that your class will going to be conducted in a very civilized way. So you always need to set up rules with your class in order to conduct the class in a very smooth and a very nice way. The next step is preparing a lecture. Whether you are going to online stream your lecture or going to upload a pre-recorded lecture, if you want your online class to be highly effective and engaging, your lecture should be interesting, concise and understandable. If your lecture has all these three things, then your students will going to engage in conversation with you, will going to take interest in what you are teaching, and this will going to increase the engagement for your online class. So your lecture should have these all things in order to be successful. Now, most of you are going to ask me one simple question: how we can record our lectures? For this, if you are using PowerPoint slides, let me show you how you can record your lecture. I am now in Microsoft PowerPoint. You need to go into the slideshow tab, and then you have to use the feature called record slideshow. Click on it and then select the first option, start recording from beginning. And when you are going to click this button, this will going to ask you that select what you want to record before you begin recording: slide and animation, timings, narrations, ink and laser pointer. Just start the recording to record your lecture. If you are not using slides and you have recorded a lecture, you need to edit it. For that, plenty of apps are available on the Play Store for you to edit your videos, such as KineMaster. This is a really cool app for you to edit your videos in it. And there is another really cool app called Filmora. This is another app that you can use in order to edit your videos in your mobile. The next key thing is the comment section. The comment section is also the discussion platform for your students to ask you the question and for you to answer. So let me give you the outline for using the comment section. The first thing you can do in the comment section is to welcome your class and then ask them to mark their attendance if you are keeping a record. In the next comment, you will going to ask your students to listen to your video lecture and read the helping content that you have uploaded. After that, you are going to sit back and wait for like 10 to 15 minutes for the students to read up on that material and listen to your lecture. After doing that, you are going to comment for the third time, and for the third time you are going to ask your students that if they have any question related to the topic, now is the time for them to ask you the questions. After that, you are going to initiate a process in which students are going to ask you the question and you are going to answer as many questions as possible. It's not always possible for you to answer each and every question, but what you can do, there is a way around. You are going to answer as many questions as possible, and for the rest of them you are going to make a cheat sheet and you are going to share that cheat sheet later that day or the very next day with your students, and then your students can read that cheat sheet and get the answers to the questions they have asked you. So this is how you can manage some of the questions that require a bit of explaining and you cannot answer them right away, so you are going to answer them in the cheat sheet. In the end, you are going to comment and conclude the topic, and you will again ask your students if they have any further questions related to topic. They can send those questions your way, and you are going to include all those questions in the cheat sheet that you will going to upload in some time. And that is how you are going to end your class. You need to master the comment section. You do not need to comment a lot. You just need to sit back and let the students ask you the question, and in this way there is going to be a sequence in the comment section. Discussion will going to proceed in a very manageable way. The last thing is conducting tests and quizzes. For that, if you are using platforms like Google Classroom, there are plenty of tools that you can use for conducting your quizzes and tests. For example, you can use forms, assignments, and polls for that. You can conduct tests using these tools in the Google Classroom. I hope this video is helpful for all of you, and if you have liked this video, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care.